Iborn. This is Singular Tutor. So welcome back to my YouTube channel, Singular Tutor. Let's learn Singular. So I am here today with lesson number 8. Today I'm going to talk about adjectives in singular. Adjectives in singular. So you call them Nama Visheshana. So adjectives in singular you call it Nama Visheshana Pada. So it is Nama Visheshana Pada. So you are using Nama Visheshana for adjectives as in English you are using uh, adjectives for describing some nouns. So same thing happen here. So use Nama Visheshana so you can describe Nama Pada, that is noun. Okay. Some example, if you use digger, so the adjective digger, Nama Visheshana digger. So you can use it with the road, par, digger par. So you can go digger par, meaning is long road. That is long road, digger. So the for the adjective digger is the meaning is long. Another example, kota gasa. So this is the gasa is tree. That is the noun, tree. Tree is the noun that I have used here. So kota gasa, kota gasa. So that is short tree, short tree. Kota, the word kota, that is that nama vishesha, that adjective. So the meaning is that is short. And the next one is I have used the word, the adjective that is loku, loku. Adjective loku, loku means big. So loku pettia. So you can call it loku pettia, that is big box. Box is used to pettia, pettia, pettia. The word pettia is meaning is box. And the next one is lassana. Another useful adjective. So use it lassana. Lassana mala. So lassana is, what do we mean by lassana is beautiful. Mala is flower. So we are using the beautiful, that lassana, for describe the flower. That is mala. Lassana mala. So that is beautiful flower. Like that, we can use adjective to describe nouns. So the quality of the noun. So there's a quality. Sometimes you can use the color. Color also is the adjective. Like that we can use adjectives to describe nouns. Nama Visheshana Pada. So when you're talking about this Nama Visheshana Pada or adjective, we have to talk something more about adjectives, something more about Nama Visheshana. If we consider in English also, we know that if we take the adjectives, we are dividing them into three categories like this: long, longer, longest. As where we use it. So long, longer than, and the longest. As we are using it for uh, positive, comparative, and superlative situations, conditions. Like that, in singular, so long, the word is digger. Digger meaning long. So that is digger. If you want to say, if you are comparing two things, two long things, so then you have to show that one thing is more longer, something is more longer than the other one thing is more longer than the other one, you have to use the word vada digger. It's same as longer than, vada digger. And the other one, the longest, the longest, you are pointing out the longest one. So longest, the longest. So what is the word for longest is in single is digama. Like that, digger, vada digger, digama, as a meaning long, longer than, and the longest. Okay, my dear friends. Another example, let's see. Short. For the short, single word is quarter. Quarter. So we call it quarter. Quarter. So shorter, you use the word vada quarter. Vada quarter. Shorter than vada quarter. So you compare two things, short things, and one thing is more shorter. So you call it vada quarter. And the other one is shortest. What is this word for shortest in single is kotama. Kotama. Now you can understand that like in English you use the word the, here in singular what happened to the superlative form? That super form, when you are saying longest, shortest in English, they are in singular. We are using digama. Ma is coming to word digger, that adjective. So digama. Then the other one is kota and kotama, like that. So the important is that ma is coming. Digama, kotama, mahatama, lasanama, like that ma is coming. So that for this. And the other one, when you are comparing, what is the new word is coming is vada. Vada kota, vada diga, vada usa, like that. We can understand that thing also. Alright. So when we consider this in English, if the word is having more than two letters, more than two syllables, so we have to use more and most the words too in adjectives. But in singular we don't have such issue. So beautiful is in single you call it lassana. Beautiful, lassana. Lassana, that's meaning beautiful. And if you want to say more beautiful, when you are comparing two things, so when you compare two things, two beautiful things, so what is the more beautiful one is you call it vada lassana. Vada lassana. And the super form, that the most beautiful you call in single as lassanama. As I said, that ma is coming. Lassanama. Ma sound is coming. Lassanama. Like that, if you take adjective, that nama visheshana, you can compose these three situations. Normal situation, this describe the noun, and second time it is comparing two things, and next one is the best one. So the best option. So this is the longest one, shortest one. You call it hotama, digama, lassanama, like that. Okay, my dear friends, let's move to another adjective. If you say this digger, and if you take something more longer, so if it more longer, you call it as in English. You use the word very long, and something. If it is more long, you call it very long. Long, very long. In single also, what is the verb we are using there is ita. Ita. So diga, so that is long, and ita diga, that is very long. Very long. Ita diga. And honda, honda, when it's a honda, that is good. Good. So honda meaning is good. If you say very good, that is in single you call it ita honda. If you say this is a very used in also in thank you. If I say thanks, thank you very much. Sorry. Godak Stuti. Godak. So use the word good there. Good also more. More than. Godak Stuti. Okay. Today I have discussed with you something about adjectives in single. So we will meet up in the next video. So thank you for listening to me. I am Singular Tutor YouTube channel. Bhoma Stuti. Thank you very much.